Hi, folks. I want to introduce you to a customer relationship management tool, which is an integral part of digital marketing or getting your online marketing working because it allows you to keep contact with your prospects and your customers in a very cheap way via email. And it also allows you to manage the process and getting a touch of people in that, that you remind your salespeople to phone or yourself to phone and follow up. So the way I created this list is by creating a lead magnet opt-in. My prospects opted in here, gave their email address, and then I had the ability to basically send them an email consistently. And basically you can set up an automation. They come into the list, you send them a welcome email, give a day, then you send the next one, or you send them a reminder if they haven't opened it, and you can get an idea of how the email looks, and you can brand your email, etc., and you can track it, which is another beauty. You can see if people opened it, etc. The other beauty of the system is that you can set up a sales pipeline. And when you set up a sales pipeline or a deal pipeline, you can measure how effective your process is from the one stage to the next. And then if you're falling behind on something, let's say you discover your follow-up is not very good, then you can start putting effort into getting your salespeople and paying managerial attention to that step of the sales process. So to measure is to know. And once you know, it's the funny thing with people, if you know and you measure, that metric starts improving. And especially if you do this, you can add some professionalism to your sales process. The other thing is that one of the things that probably scares you at the moment is saying, but how am I going to learn all this? Well, the good news, included in this package is a free 28-day challenge. And let me just show you what is included in here. For argument's sake, here on day 12, your follow-up email sequence, which I've just shown you. Here you've got a deals pipeline, and you can see there's plenty of other things, deal stages. You can say here, review of fake challenge part 2. You can see it really takes you through the appointments and calls and how you can automate it. So you really are not left alone. And included in this, they've got fantastic support at Elite Campaign. You can see if you go here, they've even got this help a little button over here that you can almost chat to somebody instantaneously that'll answer your thing by little messages. Okay, so you're probably asking, what is the price of this? Well, it's the price of a reasonable meal. It's at $15 a month. So if you think of it, $15 a month is a great price for something that helps you to get the chaos out of your sales system, that you can measure, improve sales, and know where you are at, and keep those interested prospects in your sphere of influence, allowing you to remarket them, because often, and actually it's been proven, you do not get the sale in the first contact with a person. It's usually after your fifth or sixth contact and follow-up that you actually really do make the sale. But you can keep sending emails to warm the guy up. And as I said, there's it's a free trial period that you've got if you signed up to this. So if you click on the button below, you'll go to another page which says Start Free Trial. You just click on the button, you go, no credit card is needed, and you can decide after 14 days if this will work for you. And I would suggest you to get going. For the sooner you get this going, the sooner you get the chaos out of your sales management system or your sales system, and the sooner you can start improving your cash flow. I hope this helps. Oh, if you want to look at competitors, there is Salesforce that you can look at. But you'll find out it's actually for the big corporates, and I don't believe that you're going to get much benefit out of that product. And you can go find out what the pricing is compared to what you're getting here. This is ideally geared for the medium and small enterprise. So I hope this works for you. Thank you.